Yo YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Kobus, the realest OG, inspired by the ghost of the most ICT. As you know, here we're only reading the charts. We're just educating and entertaining each other. So I'm just gonna break down the setup which I saw happening on, I think it happened yesterday. Yes. Okay. So this is volatility 25. This is not gold or market is market. Okay, so we're just going to be reading what price was doing. Okay, we see that here we have a 4-hour order block. Okay, there is a 4-hour order block. Well, if we can check this high, it's the one which swept the liquidity here, and then it broke structure with momentum and speed. Okay, so the market came back to discount of this range to retest the order block, and then it started falling. Okay, so I utilized this order block as my POI to frame a setup. Okay, so I'm going to go to, because this is on 4-hour, né? I'm going to go to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. But first, on 5 minutes, you can see, on 15 minutes, you can see that the only entry which was clean, which I saw, was here in this gap. Okay, but if you go back to 5 minutes, you will see that if you check on 5 minutes, you can see the move started happening actually here in this gap which I actually highlighted. You see, let me remove this big one. Mind you, this big one is the 4-hour order block. Okay, so if you check what the market did, the market actually swept liquidity, like all the liquidity which was resting above this high, and this high. We swept it while we were tapping that 4-hour order block. We consolidated for a moment. This is accumulation. Okay, one more time sweep liquidity, and then we started dropping aggressively. This move is the one which hinted me that okay, something is up here. We broke the structure here, so we closed below these lows here, or this one. We came to premium to retest it. The market fell like nobody's business, so here it offered an entry. Okay, it offered another one here. I was expecting the market to come and sweep these highs, because they are, if you can check, they are relatively equal. So I thought that the market was gonna come. It never came there. We went down until the low of this, until this low, which is the one which I can say it's the first target of liquidity. Okay, so the market it swept that low, even used it as resistance to push price down. It went down further. Okay, so yeah, that's what I just wanted to break down. I also want you to note how the candles close, like reversal candles. If you can check, there is some sort of like a pattern, I can say here. If you check here, we reversed here, but check how the candles were closing. It's like we create a swing high with the middle candle forming the swing high, closing inside the range of the previous candle. Okay, you see this this candle closed inside this candle. That's what I mean by with the candle in the middle closing inside the previous candle's range. This candle, so it's another confirmation which I have. I know most reversals are formed like that. I think with time you'll see that here. If you can check, it's the same thing. We sweep liquidity, but we close inside the previous candle's range in premium on an order block. Come on, hey, come on, hey, come on, hey. And then the market falls drastically. Like it took only 12 hours to clear this low. 3 candles of 4 hours. Wow, work of art, hey. So right now we just closed below this. We just swept this liquidity here, and then we shall see what happens. What's going to happen? I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. The market may continue falling. Okay, market may continue falling. I don't know what's gonna happen. I see that we have sell side liquidity here. Actually, let me use this. We have sell side liquidity here, which we just swept a bit. Okay, so eventually I think the market is going to retrace into this range because it has been offering sell side. So we may have a retracement, you know, I don't know up until when, based on, but I'm anticipating a retracement upwards. I just don't know when it's gonna start happening. Peace and love. I'm out. Actually, let me show you the. No, I think I'll just join these videos. I'll go to my gallery and, you know, show you the pictures of this setup which just happened. I was just breaking down. Okay, so this is the move before it happened. Okay, and then if you can check, this is price before all that move happened. Okay, so I looked at it from that. Immediately after that candle closed inside the previous candle's range. That was a sign of reversal, which is another thing which I just hinted, or you know, at certain points where you expect a reversal, you can look for those candle patterns. Like you see a rejection candle, like when we form a swing high, in terms of like rejecting lower. When we form a swing high, that swing high forming in premium, you know, on your POI, the middle candle or the middle candle closes inside the previous candle's range, then you can know that okay, now we are likely to form a reversal here. If you can check here, there was also the same thing which happened. Okay, so yeah, this is just the screenshot I took. I think it's here. No. Yeah, the last one, I think it's this one. So this is a beautiful move. Like, it's beautiful, and what I liked about it is it didn't even take time to come here. It just like took off. Yeah, peace and love. I'm out.